Hey there, Anthony here with PipeSense. I'm here in Negril, Jamaica, and it is 6:37 in the morning, at least here. And not too much damage going on right now. Got a couple palm trees down, some debris. The wave's not going crazy as I assume. I don't know if this is the brunt of the damage, but I'm happy that it wasn't worse. We'll see what the rest of the day brings. Anthony with PipeSense, just keeping you updated on Hurricane Melissa here in Negril, Jamaica. Thank you for joining us. Like, follow, subscribe. Stay tuned.